Okay guys, we are back today with just a quick little video of the Ford Focus European taillight swap, or if you're in the US, it's formerly known as the RS taillight swap. This application will work on 2015 to 2018 Ford Focus hatchbacks. The modification is a direct plug and play, so it's really simple to do. I mean, all you do is really just take this little nut off right back here and this nut right here, and you twist them off and they come off. And the headlight does pop out and you have to unplug it, of course, from the inside. This is the stock tail light right here. As you can see on the inside, it is a little dirty. I mean, it's to be expected. It's not totally sealed from the elements, but you just really unplug it from there, and that's behind the headlight. So pretty much you just remove this cover right here to get to that nut right there, twist, and it comes off. I wanted to make this video because there was not a whole lot of videos at all of the European taillights swap. This is my 2017 ST. I saw these taillights. I've known about them. I was just waiting for something to pop up. They weren't exactly cheap, but it was a modification that I wanted to get done. They look really good. They're really crisp looking. It's not the best lighting right now for the video, but you know, if you want to taillight swap your Focus hatchback, they look really good. I mean, this is just, that's the stock one right there. I haven't swapped it over yet. I just wanted to show you guys for video purposes what they look like side by side. I mean, as you can see, that one looks a lot better with your parking lights on. This is just a regular halogen bulb, and as you can see for your US spec hatchbacks, this is just a reflector down here. It's nothing special. It doesn't look too bad, but you know, if you can swing it and if you do want it, I think it's a really nice modification. It cleans the back end up a lot more, and you know, there it is. I still have yet to put this one on. It's actually still in the packaging still. Like I said, they weren't cheap. I can only imagine this is going to be a modification, you know, 5-10 years down the road, a lot of people are going to end up doing. And if you're going to put a video up. So it's basically the same thing for the other side to get the tail light out. You pop this little cover off right here. There's a nut right there, and there's a nut up there, and you twist them off and you unplug them, and there's a little clip right here. You kind of have to jerk it out. But that's about it. They really pop out, and like I said, I highly recommend this modification if you can swing it. So there you go, guys. As usual, thank you for watching. We'll talk to you all later.